hello, namaste, a very good morning and welcome to all the beautiful viewers to today's live session of Varamahalakshmi Silks with me, Maya. So in today's episode, I am here at road number 56, Jubilee Hills Varamahalakshmi store to present you all a very beautiful collection which is budget pattu sarees. So in today's episode, I am here to present you all beautiful color combinations and patterns. If you want to see any particular colors, just comment down in the comment section so that I am here to help you all out. So without any further ado, let's start our today's collection, which is budget pattu sarees with the one I am wearing, which is in mustard and pink combination. So I am wearing a beautiful mustard and pink combination budget pattu saree. All over the body we have leaf putties in silver zari, in lines pattern, and we have a contrasting border in pink color which has cross lines, diamonds and florals and leaf zal on it in gold zari. Such a beautiful and lovely color combination. This is mustard and pink color. And let me show you the pallu of the saree, which has brocade work on it. And we have a contrasting blouse for the saree in pink color. To buy this one, I'll give you the price and details. All you have to do is just take the screenshot of the item code and send it to 8900010002. And the item code of the saree is DI473. Offer price is 9,599 rupees. And viewers, remember in today's episode, whatever the sarees I'm showing you are at weaver's price, and this weaver's price is going to valid only till 24 hours. So make sure you're placing your favorite saree orders before the offer price ends. Now let's start our beautiful budget pattu collection. Here comes the first saree. It's a light pink and blue color combination budget pattu saree that we are seeing right now. All over the body we have self-embossed pattern with zari lines on it. And we have a contrasting and beautiful border. It's a very simple border. On the border we have florals, leaves all in copper zari along with temples on it in self-embossed pattern. Moving on to the pallu. Pallu has nice brocade work. And we are getting a contrasting blouse in blue color for the saree. To buy this one, I'll give you the pricing details. The saree item code is DI482. Offer price is 7,279 rupees. And all you have to do is just take the screenshot of the item code and send it to 8900010002. So viewers, before moving on to the next saree, let me tell you that we provide global courier services and cash on delivery option is available within Hyderabad. Now let's see next saree in today's episode of Budget Pattu Sarees. Wow. Look at the color, it's very classic. It's a light green and red combination budget pattu saree that we are seeing right now. So all over the body we have self-embossed diamonds along with leaf buttas and paisley butties in gold zari. Such a beautiful classic color combination this is. And we have on the border cross lines, temples, florals and leaf zal. Let me show you the pallu of the saree, which has brocade work along with florals in circles pattern to the sides. And also we are getting a contrasting blouse for the saree in red color with a self-embossed pattern on it along with beautiful border. So yes, To buy this lovely sari, I'll give you the pricing details. All you have to do is just take the screenshot of the item code and send it to 8900010002. And the item code of the sari is DI480. Offer price is 7,359 rupees. Now let's move on to the next sari. And also viewers, if you want to see any particular colors in today's live session, just comment down in the comment section. And here comes the next sari in beige and red combination. This is also a classic combination. Let's see the detailing of the body. On the entire body we have floral booties in geometrical pattern. And this is the border for the sari, which has cross lines, peacocks and florals on it, with a beautiful weaving of zari. And here comes the pallu of the sari in contrasting red color, which has diamond brocade work on it. And also we are getting a contrasting blouse for the sari. To buy this one, I'll give you the pricing details. The sari item code is DI487. Offer price is 10,239 rupees. And also, yes viewers, in today's live session, we are showcasing budget pattu saris, but we have more wide range of collections in our stores at Andhra, Telangana, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Visit your nearest Varamahalakshmi store for more collections. Now viewers, we will lead you how to follow us on social media platform. Let's take a look on it and I'll be back soon.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, optional for videos and live videos.
నమస్తే, నేను మీ సంగీత. నేను ఇక్కడ వరమహాలక్ష్మికి వచ్చి ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ అంతా చాలా బాగుంది, బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేశాను. మీరు కూడా ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ని చూడాలంటే ప్లీజ్ లాగ్ ఆన్ టు Kanchi VML Silks in Facebook, Insta and also on YouTube. And you can shop online freely, peacefully. And if you want to go in person, the shops are located in Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra.
It's a purple and peacock green color combination sari that we are seeing right now. Let's take a look on the body. So on the entire body we have leaf zal and leaf putties in silver zari. As you can see, it's giving a nice beautiful touch to the entire sari. And here comes the beautiful border in contrasting peacock green color, which has temples, cross lines, florals and leaf zal on it. Now moving on to the pallu of the sari. Wow, look at the pallu with a simple and elegant design on it in zari weaving. And we have a contrasting blouse for the sari. To buy this one, I'll give you the pricing details. All you have to do is just take the screenshot of the item code and send it to 8900010002. And here comes the item code of the sari. The sari item code is DI470. Offer price is 9,039 rupees. And also viewers, let me remind you that we provide global courier services and cash on delivery option is available within Hyderabad. Let's see the next sari in today's live session. And yes viewers, if you want to see any particular colors, just comment down in the comment section. I'm here to help you all out. And also let me know how are you liking the collection in today's live session. And let's see this beautiful bottle green and sea green color combination budget pattu sari. This is also a evergreen classic sari that we are seeing right now. So on the entire body of this one, we have peacocks in circles pattern in zari. it's very simple and elegant bottle green color budget pattu sari that we are seeing. And this is the border, viewers, which has peacocks and cross lines on it. Now let me all show you the pallu of the sari, which has brocade work over it. And we are getting a contrasting blouse for the sari. Let's see the pricing details of this one. The sari item code is DI476. Offer price is 8,159 rupees. Now moving on to the next sari. And also viewers, I'm hoping everybody are doing fine and healthy. Let me know how you all doing, because I'm doing very great and fine. And here comes the next sari in today's episode of live session, budget pattu saris. It's a pink and dark green combination budget pattu sari. On the entire body of this one, we have peacock butties in lines pattern. And we have a contrasting border for the sari in green color, which has cross lines, peacocks and leaves all, and also we have temples. Moving on to the pallu. We have a beautiful pallu in zari weaving with florals in circles, and also we have peacock butties in zari boxes here. This is also such a lovely color combination, right? Pink and green. And for this sari, we are getting a contrasting blouse in green color. To buy this one, let's see the pricing details. The item code of the sari is DI481. Offer price is 8,479 rupees. Hi Srilata Garu. Good morning, Andy. Hope you are liking our collection and hope you are doing well. And also, thank you so much for your comment. And also, let me know what's your favorite color so that I can show in today's live session of budget pattu saris. Now, let's see next beautiful sari. So here comes the sari in mustard and peacock blue combination. So on this body we have leaf putties in gold zari. As you can see, it has a very beautiful shine on the body. And we have a big border for this sari with diamonds in cross lines, paisleys, peacocks and leaves all, and also we have cross lines in between the border. Now let me show you the pallu of the sari, which has diamond brocade work over it. And we are getting a contrasting blouse. Now let's see the pricing details for this one. The item code of the sari is DI488. Offer price is 8,799 rupees. Now moving on to the next sari, and also Purni Garu has commented to show a sari in magenta color. Definitely, Andy, we'll show the sari in magenta color. But right now we'll see this navy blue color sari. But keep watching the live. Definitely I'm going to show you your favorite magenta color sari in today's episode. So we are seeing a navy blue and sea green color budget pattu sari now. On the body of this one, we have leaf putties in copper zari. And this is the border, ladies, which has peacocks, florals and leaves all. And also we have cross lines in the combination of gold and copper zari. Moving on to the pallu now, which has brocade work over it, and also we have paisleys in zari boxes to the sides of pallu, and a contrasting blouse in sea green color. Let me give you the pricing details of this one. The saree item code is DI479. Offer price is 8,319 rupees. And yes, viewers, the next saree is to our dear lovely viewer Purni Garu. She has commented for a magenta color saree in budget pattu collection in today's episode. So this is for her, and also we have more color combinations. Keep watching the entire live. So let's see the body of this one. On the entire body we have leaf buttis in zari. Border has cross lines with leaf buttis. We have waves pattern in cross lines, and also we have florals and leaves are. Let me show you the pallu of this one, which has a beautiful contrasting pallu for the saree in green color, which has peacocks in circles, and also we have cross lines and paisleys on it. And we have a contrasting blouse for the saree. Let's see the pricing details. The saree item code is DI489. Offer price is 7,039 rupees. Now moving on to the next one, but before that let me read the comments. Rachana Garu has commented, beautiful collection. Thank you so much, Anvi. It means a lot. And also Nagu Chitti Garu has commented to show a saree in navy blue color. Yes, definitely we'll try to show your request. But before that we'll see this beautiful and lovely color combination saree, which is in green and pink color. So let's see the body of this one. On the entire body we have florals and paisleys in zari pattern. This is also a lovely and beautiful color combination, green and pink. And we have a contrasting border which has diamonds, paisleys, florals, and also we have in between leaf buttas cross lines here. Such a detailing weaving we have on the border. Moving on to the pallu now, which has floral brocade work over it. And we have a contrasting blouse in pink color for the saree. Let's see the pricing details of this one. The saree item code is BY160. Offer price is 9,999 rupees. All you have to do is just take the screenshot and send it to 8900010002. And the next saree is for our dear lovely viewer Nagu Chitti Garu. Asked for navy blue color saree, so this is for her, and also Nagu Chitti Garu, this is for you. And also we have more beautiful color combinations in this episode. Keep watching the live till it ends. Who knows, you might like any of the saree in today's episode. Now let's see this saree that you have asked for. So it's a navy blue and peacock green color combination saree that we are seeing. All over the body we have tiny floral buttis in copper zari. And this is the border which has peacocks in waves pattern, and also we have cross lines on it in silver zari combination. Pallu has beautiful brocade work over it with a contrasting blouse. Isn't it pretty? To buy this pretty saree, I'll give you the pricing details. All you have to do is just take the screenshot and send it to 8900010002. The saree item code is DI474. Offer price is 10,079 rupees. Purnima Garu has commented as beautiful. Thank you so much, Purnima Garu. Hi, hope you are doing good and have a great day. And also let me know what's your favorite color. And also viewers, before moving on to the next saree, let me tell you that we provide global courier services and cash on delivery option is available within Hyderabad. We also have video calling option. For that, all you have to do is just book an appointment by sending us a message on our WhatsApp number 8900010002. And also remember, all the sari prices that I'm showing in today's live session are at Weaver's price, which are going to valid only till 24 hours. So place your orders before the offer price ends. Now let's see the sari that I'm showing you right now in today's episode of Budget Pattu collection. So here comes sea green and magenta combination. All over the body we have self-embossed pattern. Border has peacocks and cross lines on it. Let's move on to the pallu of the sari, which has zari lines pattern over it with the peacocks to the sides. And a contrasting blouse. To buy this one, let's see the pricing details. The sari item code is DI484. Offer price is 9,039 rupees. Nagachitti garu, thank you so much, and it means a lot. And also, yes, we have more beautiful color combinations. Just watch the live till it ends. And now let's see the next sari in today's episode, which is in beige color with a beautiful and simple pattern over it. So all over the body we have self-embossed pattern along with leaf putties in copper zari. It's a very subtle and elegant pattern. And this is the border, ladies, which has temples, florals in circles, and also we have paisleys, zari lines, along with diamonds and cross lines pattern in between. Pallu has brocade work. And for this sari, we are getting a self blouse. It's a simple and elegant and also a beautiful sari. To buy this one, I'll give you the pricing details. All you have to do is just take the screenshot of the item code and send it to 8900010002. The sari item code is DI471. Offer price is 7,679 rupees. And also, ladies, in case if you miss this live will be saved on Facebook, Instagram, IGTV and YouTube. Make sure you're following us at Kanchi VML Silks for more latest updates. Now let's see next sari in today's episode of Budget Pattu Saris. Here comes the sari. Wow. So it's called ice blue color sari. We are seeing it's one of my favorite color. Blue is one of my favorite color. In blue, we call this as ice blue. So let's see the body of this one. On the entire body, we can see florals and leaves all in zari weaving. And there's a beautiful shine on the entire sari. And this is the border, which has florals in zari boxes, and also we have temples to the side. Pallu has brocade work along with paisleys to the sides, and also we have a contrasting blouse for the sari. To buy this beautiful sari, I'll give you the pricing details. Just take the screenshot of the item code and send it to 8900010002. And the sari item code is DI486. Offer price is 8,879 rupees. Hi Ajanta Garu, how are you doing, Andy? Hope you are doing good and have a great day ahead. And also thank you so much for commenting, and also let me know your favorite color so that I can show in today's episode. And also viewers, don't forget to comment how are you liking this collection, and also if you want to see any particular collection in upcoming lives, let me know in the comment section. And now let's see this beautiful color combination sari that I'm showing you. So it's a peach and magenta color combination budget pattu sari that we are seeing. All over the body we have florals and leaves all in zari. Border has peacocks, cross lines and florals. And pallu has cross lines on it with a contrasting blouse. I'll give you the pricing details. Let's see the pricing details of this one. Sari item code is DI472. Offer price is 10,239 rupees. Now moving on to the next sari, ladies. Wow, it's a pista green color sari that we are seeing. Trust me, this is very lightweight and very simple. Let's see the body of this one. So all over the body we have peacocks in circles pattern in zari. Border has peacocks, diamonds and florals over it. And pallu has brocade work. And we have a contrasting blouse in pink color for the sari. Let's see the pricing details for this one. So the sari item code is DI477. Offer price is 7,999 rupees. So ladies, as I said, all the prices I'm showing are at weaver's price. So don't miss this offer, because this offer is going to valid only till 24 hours. So book your favorite saris now. And now I'm showing you the sari in blue and royal blue color combination in budget pattu saris. Let's see the body of this one. So all over the body we have self-embossed pattern along with paisley buttis in gold zari. Border has temples, paisleys, peacocks and cross lines. And moving on to the pallu, we have leaf buttis in cross checks pattern along with contrasting blouse. To buy this one, let's see the pricing details. The sari item code is CP290. Offer price is 7,199 rupees. Now let's see the next sari. Wow. It's a light green and pink combination sari. Let's see the body. All over the body we have self-embossed leaves and circles. Border has paisleys and geometrical shapes and temples. And the pallu has floral buttis in cross checks pattern. And we have a contrasting blouse. To buy this one, let's see the pricing details. The sari item code is DI490. Offer price is 9,039 rupees. Now moving on to the last sari before moving on to the mannequins. Here comes the sari in blue and pink combination. Such a lovely color combination. Let's see the body of this one. So on the entire body we can see florals in circles pattern in a waves pattern on the entire body. Border has florals, cross lines. Let me show you the pallu of this one, which has brocade work along with contrasting blouse. I'll give you the pricing details for this one. All you have to do is just take the screenshot of the item code and send it to 8900010002. The sari item code is CX943. Offer price is 9,999 rupees. Now ladies, we will show you the saris draped on the mannequins. Let's take a quick look on the mannequins. Moving on to the first mannequin. It's a classic red and mustard combination sari that we are seeing. So we have on the entire body leaf buttis in zari. Border has paisleys, florals, leaves are along with cross lines to the sides. Pallu has brocade work with a contrasting blouse. Let's see the pricing details for this one. The saree item code is DI485. Offer price is 9,599 rupees. Now moving on to the next saree draped on the mannequin. Such a elegant color combination we have on the entire body. It's a green and pink combination saree that we are seeing. So all over the body we have leaf putties. Border has cross lines, peacocks, florals. Pallu has brocade work with contrasting blouse. To buy this one, let's see the pricing details. The saree item code is DI475. Offer price is 7,039 rupees. Moving on to the next saree draped on the mannequin, which is in wine color. All over the body we have peacock butties in drop buttish pattern. Border has zigzag lines and peacock butties along with tiny dollar butties over it. Pallu has brocade work and we are getting a contrasting blouse for this one. Let's see the pricing details. Item code is DI478. Offer price is 8,159 rupees. And now moving on to the last saree of our today's live session of budget pattu collection. And the saree is in peach and sea green color combination. All over the body we have leaf putties in the combination of silver and gold zari. Border has peacocks, waves pattern, and also we have tiny floral butties over it. Pallu is brocade and we have contrasting blouse. Let's see the pricing details for this one. The item code is DI483. Offer price is 9,039 rupees. And you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. So yes viewers, this is the beautiful collection of budget pattu sarees in today's live session. Hope you all liked it. I've shown you beautiful color combinations and patterns, and also it's a very nice talking to you all, and I'll be back with one more beautiful collection in next episode. Until then, stay safe, stay home, keep shopping from Varamahalakshmi Silks. This is Maya signing off. Namaste.
సో ఇప్పుడే నేను కంచిపురం వరమహాలక్ష్మి సిల్క్ స్టోర్కి వచ్చానండి. బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అనమాట. ఇక్కడ శారీ కలెక్షన్ కానీ ప్రైసింగ్ రేంజ్ కానీ చాలా 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 బాగుంది. సో ఎప్పటికప్పుడు లైవ్ అప్డేట్స్ని అండ్ ఆఫర్స్ని మిస్ కాకూడదంటే డూ ఫాలో కంచి విఎంఎల్ సిల్క్స్.